Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to talk about something truly incredible: how to donate your car in Massachusetts and make a meaningful impact on the lives of those in need. But before we dive into the process, let me share some eye-opening statistics. Did you know that over 40 million people in the United States live in poverty, struggling to make ends meet? And did you also know that you can be a part of the solution? Yes, by donating your car, you can make a significant difference right here in Massachusetts. So, let's get started by showing you the step-by-step process of donating your car in the Bay State. Step 1. Choose a reputable charity. The first step is crucial. Choose a reputable charity. Do your research and pick an organization with a strong track record of using donations effectively to support those in need. In Massachusetts, there are many great options like Goodwill, the Salvation Army, and local nonprofits. Step 2. Prepare your car. Now, let's move on to Step 2, preparing your car. Make sure your vehicle is clean and free of personal belongings. Remove the license plates and return them to the Massachusetts Registry of Motor Vehicles. Step 3. Contact the charity. Step 3 is all about communication. Reach out to your chosen charity and let them know you're interested in donating your car. They'll guide you through the process and provide the necessary paperwork. Step 4. Complete the paperwork host on screen. Step 4. The paperwork. You'll need to sign over the title of your car to the charity and provide them with a bill of sale. Keep copies for your records. Step 5. Arrange for pickup or drop-off. Step 5. Arranging for pickup or drop-off. Most charities offer free towing services if your vehicle isn't in running condition. If it is, you can drop it off at a designated location. Step 6. Receive your tax deduction. And finally, Step 6. Receiving your tax deduction. After the charity sells your vehicle, they will provide you with a receipt for tax purposes, allowing you to claim a deduction on your taxes. And there you have it, the step-by-step process of donating your car in Massachusetts. By taking this simple yet impactful action, you can help transform lives and make a positive difference in your community. So what are you waiting for? Make that call, donate your car, and be a part of the change you want to see in the world. Together, we can create a brighter future for those in need right here in Massachusetts. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Remember, every small act of kindness counts. Let's make a difference together. See you next time.